Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that really works well with Windows 11, especially if you have a Samsung phone, is the Phone Link app, and including the famous panel that shows up with the Start menu. But Phone Link has been a great success, and I use it all the time. I like to get and even answer my text messages through the computer, so it's much easier than with my big fat fingers trying to type on that keyboard on the phone. And lots of really interesting features that are working. You can make calls and so on. Um, so something is going to be added to the PhoneLink app for those that use it. You'll be able to turn on and off your PC using your phone. So that means you'll have buttons on the phone with the Link app that will simply give you the capability of turning on or off your PC at a distance. This is pretty good. Remember maybe on Windows 10, there was this feature where your phone could actually, your PC could go to the lock screen when your phone was too far away. That was an interesting feature. It kind of, if you were in an environment with a lot of people, could be useful. Your PC, go to the lock screen as so that no one else can actually, go and spy on what you're doing. But now there's going to be buttons that are going to added. The buttons are not seen on any of the insider previews yet, but some people have seen that when looking at the code, there's a set of instructions for turning on, turning off the PC on the Phone Link. So there's going to be an add-on that's going to be great. Hopefully they can add more features. We know that on iPhone there will be a capability where you'll be able to finally share files between iPhone and Windows, which is nice because it's kind of fun. It works well on Windows itself with the Phone Link app and all of that. So hopefully more to come with this. I think if there's one side of Windows 11 that really is great, is that Phone Link app with a Android phone. It's sad that it is not as good on the iPhones, but it is a lot to do with the fact that iPhones have a locked system. So there's a lot of things that the app cannot do because of that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.